Hello, my sparkling stars. How are you all doing? Aprajita is back here again with the Aarchi series by Heaven's Publication House and Class 5, Chapter number 13, Plant Trees. As the topic says, plant trees. Very well understood. Let's see what's there inside. Again, a brainstorming, warming up session. Use the clues to complete this crossword. The clues describe different kinds of fruit. Again, this is a brainstorming session, a warming up session. Use clues to complete this crossword. The clues describe different kinds of fruit. So this is a crossword puzzle. First we'll go cross like this. Has a prickly outer covering with yellow fruit inside. What has a prickly outer covering with yellow fruit inside? Let's see number 1. I think it's pineapple. It has a prickly outer covering and it has yellow fruit inside. So here we go. Pine. A-double-P-L-E. Yes. Pineapple. Next is small and round. The fruit can be green or black. Number 3. Small and round. It can be green or black. G R A P E S. Yes. Great. Eat this fruit every day. It will keep the doctor away. What's the saying? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So number 4. Where is number 4 here? A-double-P-L-E. Apple. Now down. We have to come down. Number 2. Yellow with right. The sweet fruit is loved by monkeys. Everyone knows monkeys love banana. So number 2. Here, B-A already written. N-A already there. N-E is there. Banana. Last one, B round. This fruit has many tiny seeds in the center. Number 3. Many tiny seeds in the center. Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. Here we fill the crossword. Now moving ahead. Then this lesson. This lesson is about a boy named Raju who acted as a tree in a play in his school. He had a play in his school and he acted as a tree there. But he became very nervous and confused. He was very nervous and very confused. So what happened? Let's read out to find out what happened next. Seems something interesting. Raju and his father are waiting for the bus at the bus stop. Raju is going to participate in the annual function of his school. Raju had annual function in his school, so they are waiting here. Do you think the bus will come on time, Dad? Raju asked his dad. Raju, you are asking the same question for the 3rd time. It will. Raju gets quiet for some time. He is quiet for some time, as his father has said, yes, the bus will come. Then he starts again. Dad, this bus is late. We may not reach the school in time. Then my teacher may give the role to another student. He is very nervous. Then the bus, getting rattled and get it. So what happens? Raju and his father board the bus. They go inside the bus. Again, Raju has a question. Dad, should I check my bag to see if I have taken everything? Dad says, what does Dad say? Raju, we did that once before we left home. And once after we reached the bus stop, we had checked twice. Just in case, Papa. Just in case if we had forgotten anything. Now they reach the school in time. Raju meets his friends in the concert hall, who greet them. Raju says a weak hello with a serious face. It makes his friends laugh even more. Why he had a serious face? Because he was very nervous. So he had a serious face. He said hello, and his friends started laughing. In case I forget my lines, what should I do? Let me go to a corner and practice. He had no interest in talking to his friends. He said, I am going in a corner and practicing my lines, just in case I forget. Dinesh, who is playing the part of a king in the play, is calm. He tries to calm down Raju too. He sees that Raju is very nervous, so Dinesh is playing the role of king and he tries to calm down Raju. Do you need help, Raju? Yes. Thank you, Dinesh. I'd like to know if I should start with left or right for the swaying movement. Raju wanted to sway like this. So he asked Dinesh whether I should move left first or I should move right first. Why do you have to sway? Dinesh asked Raju, why do you have to sway? But tree, to show that it is windy, I am playing a role of a tree. As I am a tree, so when the wind is there, the trees start swaying. So I'll also do like that. But trees can also stand still or move a little. He says, Dinesh says, he's a very calm child. He says, the trees can also stand still in wind and move a little. Why you sway like this? They don't have to sway. You can be breezy, not windy. He says, in the play, the requirement is the trees are just moving like this. They are breezy. The breeze is there. The wind is not there. I understand. Raju says, I understand. But I want one of the best actors. Now see, he has some enthusiasm in him. But on the other side, he is nervous also. The teacher comes to check children's makeup and costumes for the last time. Teacher comes and checks everything, whether everything is up to the mark or not, the costumes, the makeup and all. All the best, Raju. Our play is coming up next. The teacher says, all the best to Raju. Okay, go ahead. Our play is the next. The play is about Emperor Ashoka. He plants many trees along the roads so that the travelers can rest in their shade. The play says that it was about Emperor Ashoka and he planted many trees on the roadside. Raju is one of the trees. Amongst those trees, Raju is one of the trees. The other trees are breezy, but Raju stands swaying his arms continuously. It is more like a storm. When do trees sway? When there is a storm. The trees sway this side, that side. And Raju was behaving like that only. The other trees were very calmly moving, slowly and slowly, as it was windy. Now see what happens. Dinesh speaks his lines beautifully. The audience claps. Dinesh was acting as a king. He speaks his lines very beautifully. Suddenly, one of the trees falls. The audience laugh and claps louder. Now what happens? Amidst those trees, one of the trees falls down. It falls down. Now see, and which tree was it? It was Raju the tree. The audience started clapping and laughing. Now what does Dinesh say? As if there is a storm coming up. Thank God that no one was standing under the tree when it fell. Now what does Dinesh say? Oh, it seems a storm is coming. And thank God nobody was under the tree. So it would have hurt somebody. It would have hurt somebody if the tree fell on someone. When the curtains come down and Raju opens his eyes, he can see that all his friends have gathered around him. Because it was the tree, Raju was the tree, who fell down. You were the best tree, Raju. Everyone clapped for you. Dinesh says, you were the best tree, Raju. Everyone clapped for you. Did they really enjoy my acting? Raju says, did they really enjoy my acting? Everybody clapped. Teacher says, oh, they did. Why do you ask? Now, see, what happened? Was there in the play that Raju had to fall down? No, it was not there in the play. But Dinesh was such a calm and cool student that he managed to handle that play accordingly. As Raju fell, he changed his dialogue and he said, oh, I think the storm is about to come. And so the tree fell down. And he is very thankful to God that nobody was there under the tree. So he managed the whole play so beautifully. So the moral of this lesson is that we should always be confident in our life. Whatever situation comes in front of you, if any negative situation is also there, we should be ready to handle that situation very smartly. Small distractions and problems shouldn't become a hindrance of your life. This was a distraction in the play when Raju fell down. This was not there in the play. This was not mentioned in the play. But somehow Dinesh managed it. Now let's see the correct answer. Raju is going to participate in the, what was it? They had annual function in their school. So Raju was going to participate in the annual function. Raju is playing the part of a, as we all know, he was playing the part of a tree. Dinesh is playing the part of a, yes, tree. The play is about emperor who planted so many trees along the roadside, Emperor Ashoka. Now let's complete the following sentence. Raju wanted to check his bag to, to see whether he has kept all the things or not. Raju wanted to check his bag to see. Okay. When he heard that Raju wanted to practice for his role, the boys, what did the boys do? When Raju said, oh, I need a corner and go and practice my lines. So what did they do? They started laughing. The boys started laughing. Dinesh was having fun with his friends. although he was very calm. Although he was calm and confident too. Yes, Dinesh was very confident. When the curtains came down, what happened? When the curtains came down, what did Raju ask? Raju asked, Raju opened his eyes. When the curtains came down, Raju opened his eyes and saw all his friends who were there. Raju opened his eyes and saw all his friends around. Okay? Now, next, write true or false. Let's see whether these lines are true or false. Raju and his mother are waiting for a bus at the bus stop. Was he waiting? Was Raju waiting with his mother? No, he was waiting with his father. So this is false. Raju reaches the school half an hour late. No, they reached the school well in time. So this is also false. Raju feels stressed for the play. Yes, of course, he was very much nervous and stressed. This is true. The last one is Emperor Ashoka plants many trees along the road. Yes, this is true. Now, read the lines and answer the questions that follow. Raju did it once before we left home and once after we reached the bus stop. Who says these words? When Raju was getting nervous, Dad, let's check whether we have drawn the thing. Dad says these words. Says Raju, we had done this twice. So, who says these words? Dad. What did they do once before? They checked the bag. Who wants to do it again? Who wanted to do it again? Just to check out? Raju. Hmm? As if, as if there's a storm coming up. Thank God that no one was standing under the tree when it fell. Why did Dinesh say these words? Dinesh said these words as he saw that Raju fall down. So he had to manage to play and he changed his lines and he said, oh, I see that it seems that the storm is coming. And thank God this tree fell down and nobody was standing under the tree. Otherwise, he would have got hurt. What would have happened if someone was standing under the tree? Very well known that if some tree falls and somebody is standing under the tree, that person would get hurt. So, the tree is supposed to fall. Now, just think over it. No, the tree was not supposed to fall. It was Raju who swayed so strongly here and there that he fell down, and the play, end of the play, Dinesh somehow managed to change the end of the play. So, this was there in the lesson. So, always be confident in whatever you are doing, and always be ready to face any situation which comes in front of you. I hope you all had a good time with this lesson, and bye-bye. Thank you so much. I'll be back with something new.